This is the wide and a spacious living area where you can sit. This is the wide and a spacious kitchen area जहाँ पर आप This is the master bedroom जहाँ पर king size bed place करके आप अच्छे. So hi, hello everyone, welcome to Housey. This is Yamin and we'll be doing a sample flat tour of Puranik's Rayu by Puranik's Builders, which is located at Bhayandarpada at Gorbandar Road, opposite to Lodha Splendora. Not only this, I'm standing here at the actual location and this is the sales office right in front of the actual tower, and you can see the construction is fully on swing. Let me take you and give you a look on the main road. Not only that, we have a nice neighborhood road that gives a nice connectivity, and also on the right hand side that would be a Majiwada and left hand side Mira Road. So what are you waiting for? Come on, let's explore more with me. So, before going ahead, let me tell you what is Housey is. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly with the developer, thereby giving you a bottom rate price and 100% guarantee. Unlike other current listing platforms whereby if you just do an inquiry, your number gets shared with multiple brokers, resulting in lots and lots of calls. Where Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So, book your dream home right now with your favorite developer through Housey. So now let's talk about the project overview. So this project is constructed over 12 acres of land parcel having 9 towers, G plus 3 level of podiums plus 47 floors, having configuration of 1 and 2 BHK with and without staff room premium residencies. So now let's talk about the amenities part. This project has 25 plus luxurious amenities that includes aqua gym, pickleball, soul therapy room, sensory garden, clubhouse, kids play area, cabana and many more. Now talking about the location part. So this project is located next to Gorbandar Road, Gaimukh Gaon, Bhayandarpada Thane. Upcoming metro station is Gaimukh and Govniwada. Now talking about the connectivity. Shriram Hospital is just 1.3 km. D-Mart is just 2.5 km. Titan Hospital just 2 km. And your and my favorite Suraj Water Park just 3 km. Now this is a bang on Gorbandar Road connectivity. On the right hand side you can go towards the Majiwada and left hand side you can go towards the Mira Road. Now we'll be having a sample flat tour of 1 BHK 420 square feet carpet area with balcony. This is the entrance of the 1 BHK and this is towards the entry. You can put any decoration or a shoe rack here. Moving ahead, this is the wide and a spacious living area where you can sit. That's your TV with the AC. You can chill your Netflix with some popcorns. Also, let me show you the wonderful balcony which has the anti-skid tiling, iron railing, 3-sided covered. After the spacious balcony, let me take you to the common washroom. So this is the common washroom with again the anti-skid tiling, your showering spaces, CP-centric fittings as part of your furnishing. Now this is the wide and a spacious dry area where you can put your washing machine, जहाँ पर आप अच्छे से अपने कपड़े सुखा सकते हो अपने washing machine में. Now let me take you to the kitchen area. So we have a wide and a spacious kitchen area जहाँ पर मैं अच्छे से walk कर सकती हूँ. यहाँ पर 6 to 7 people खड़े होके अच्छे से cooking कर सकते हैं. This is the common wash basin. There's a shelf जहाँ पर आप अपने गरम मसाले Indian spices अच्छे से रख सकते हो. Opposite to this we have also the shelf जहाँ पर आप अपने dry fruits से लेके vegetable fruits सारी चीज़ें अच्छे से इंटैक्ट रख सकते हो. Not only this, let me show you the window. So we have a wide and a spacious window for ventilation and lighting purpose. So this is the spacious kitchen area. Now let me take you to the master bedroom. But before taking you to the master bedroom, let me tell you what is Housey key features is. So Housey gives you an actual location tour, sample flat videos, pros and cons of the project, payment scheme, EMI schedule and 360-degree location tour. So what are you waiting for? Register for free and schedule a site visit soon. Now we'll be moving ahead with the master bedroom and have a look towards the washroom where we have CP-centric fittings, we have shower area, then we have anti-skid tilings as a part of furnishing. So now let me show you the walkable distant spacious place for the master bedroom. So this is the master bedroom जहाँ पर king size bed place करके आप अच्छे से आराम कर सकते हैं. Not only this, this is the wardrobe space जहाँ पर आप अपने कपड़े अच्छे से प्लेस कर सकते हो. And not only the wardrobe space, but let me take you and give you a nice ventilation and lighting purpose for your windows. So this make it more luxurious, more spacious and more comfortable for your easy day-to-day lifestyle. So this is the entire sample flat tour of 1 BHK with balcony. Configuration is 420. आपकी बहुत बड़ी फैमिली है, so yes हमारे पास जोड़ी options भी available है. Also talking about further, we are here at the भयंदरपाड़ा गोरबंदर रोड. अगर आपने ऐसे बहुत सारे प्रोजेक्ट देखे हैं या देखना चाहते हैं, please mention it in the comment box. Also do not forget to press the I button for more entire details of this project. Also do not forget to like, share and subscribe to Housey. Follow us on www.housey.com. Thank you so much.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.